This is called Holy Smoke. It's an old school classic dessert. All I did was combine flour, pecans, chopped up, butter, pinch of salt, and then I sprayed a baking dish and I spread that mixture out evenly in the dish. Bake it 325 for 25 minutes. Mix your cream cheese, powdered sugar, then fold in the Cool Whip. Spread that mixture on top of the crust. Then you're going to use 1 box of vanilla and chocolate pudding mixes with 3 cups of milk. Mix that together really well. Then that's going to go on top of the Cool Whip. And then you're going to put another layer of the Cool Whip mixture on top of the pudding, and then we're going to finish with some semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then you're going to refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours, and then it's ready to go. Holy smoke.